Hello everybody, welcome to the video on supply chain management interview questions and answers from CareerRide. The domain of supply chain is undergoing a major transformation with the integration of digital technology with legacy supply chain processes. A change that is certain to impact the SCM professionals and the questions asked to them in the interviews. In today's video, let's see 5 basic questions based on digitization in SCM that are commonly being asked during the interviews these days. These questions are based on things like how is digitization impacting SCM, key technologies being used in SCM, concepts like smart SCM, digital twin, an overview of how to digitize your SCM and the role of SCM professionals in the whole process, etc. Every moment of this video is filled with useful insights. So get yourself a notepad and pen to jot them down. And if you're really serious about cracking your next interview, ensure that you watch the complete video without skipping any parts of it. Ready? Fantastic. Let's begin. Question number 1. Discuss the role of digitization in transforming the traditional supply chain processes. Now see, supply chain digitization has become an industry standard today that empowers the businesses streamline their operations like procurement, manufacturing, logistics, customer service, etc. and stay competitive. Following a certain ways in which digitizing the SCM operations helps in enhancing the SCM operations and its competitiveness. The first thing that you'll find here is it improves the accuracy and efficiency of the process. Because digitization frees up your team's time to work on other important things which might have been neglected for a while. It also ensures a reduction in human errors and the time required to fix them up later because now you're relying on technology. The second thing it does is it improves the connectivity because having an SCM system facilitates the connection of the disparate systems, improving communication across all departments and even with your suppliers also. Since the data is centralized with the system in place, there's a single source of truth for you now. The third thing it does is it helps you with improving the decision making and strategizing also. See, digitizing your SCM system, it is not just about getting your processes online. It is a strategic move that impacts the entire business. Since all the data now is available at one place, it is centralized. Analyzing this data and making decisions based on this becomes much faster. Then it also improves the transparency across the whole system. If you have a business like say Amazon, a good SCM system will let the customers place the orders seamlessly, track their orders and get the delivery on time, which strengthens your relationship with both your customers and suppliers also. And since the whole process happens so much in real time without much hiccups, the cost of operations also goes down. And the cash flow, that also improves. Having a good digitized SCM system in place also helps you with inventory management. The real-time data now allows tracking of bottlenecks, delivery times, and prediction of demands. And given that everything is automated, there are no chances of human errors now. Then lastly, it also reduces the carbon footprints of the companies because with the help of all the data, you can make decisions to optimize your procurement and delivery chain, promote lean inventory, adopt circular supply chain models, improving the overall sustainability of the system, reducing the carbon footprints. But see, this kind of an answer won't occur to anybody on the spot. You can offer this kind of an answer only and only if you have thought about it in advance. You have prepared yourself in advance. That is why I always say preparation is the key to succeed in the interviews. And if you are well prepared, your answers will definitely make you stand out from everybody else in the crowd. Now see, since all of these things are happening because of technology, expect your next question on different technologies in use in SCM. As an SCM professional, you're not expected to possess that in-depth technical knowledge, but a basic general understanding definitely helps you perform better. So your question number 2 can be, name some key technologies widespreadly used in SCM domain. To answer this question, you can say, some key technologies that have become integral to SCM today are, number 1, predictive analytics. A subset of data analytics, predictive analytics extracts actionable insights from the huge supply chain data that your system generates, enhancing decision making. For example, it helps in forecasting the demand and improving inventory management by analyzing the buying patterns in various seasons. The second technology that has changed the world of SCM is IoT, which we also call as Internet of Things. IoT helps in improving real-time tracking and monitoring in the supply chain. For example, the RFID tags, also called as radio frequency identifications, placed on products, enable accurate location tracking, which enhances the visibility in the system and reduces the chances of errors and delays. At number 3, you have blockchain or digital ledger. This is one technology that has changed the world like none other. It has helped in boosting the transparency and traceability in the supply chain. Every step of the product's journey is recorded on a blockchain, boosting transparency and trust among all the parties. Then you have cloud computing, which facilitates real-time collaboration and data sharing across the supply chain. Practical applications of this technology include, for example, like suppliers and manufacturers updating the stocks and sales simultaneously. Then you have robotics and automation. In big SCMs, the application of this technology allows the robots equipped with sensors and cameras to pick the right items from the warehouse shelves and fulfill the order. This increases the efficiency of the system while reducing human errors. As an SCM professional, it is important to be updated with at least this basic knowledge about the technologies impacting your domain. Now, our question number 3 is about an important concept that is being used in supply chain. And this concept is about smart supply chain. So, your next question can be, what do you know about smart supply chain? See, a smart supply chain is the one that works by integrating advanced technologies and intelligent systems together. These innovations enhance the efficiency, visibility, and responsiveness of the entire chain, making it truly smart. The term smart here originates from the integration of these cutting-edge technologies and data-driven operations. This interconnected and adaptive approach actually revolutionizes the whole SCM practice. The key technologies that make the supply chain system smart are similar to what we saw in the previous question. And these are technologies like digital connectivity using IoT, predictive insights, automation and robotics, AI, blockchain, cloud computing, sustainability integration for a greener supply chain, predictive risk mitigation, and adaptive and flexible operations, etc. Moving on to another important conceptual question. What do you know about the concept of digital twin in supply chain management? Now see, this digital twin is an important concept in SCM. As the name suggests, it is creating a digital replica or twin of the physical supply chain that you have. It covers the complete supply chain from manufacturing and logistics to distribution and delivery. The purpose of creating it is to provide a real-time dynamic simulation that is absolutely a mirror image of the physical supply chain. This digital twin allows real-time simulation, as I said, helping you understand the process and pick up its strengths and weaknesses also. Then it provides you end-to-end visibility of the complete physical supply chain. Scenario analysis and predictive analytics, which allow the improvement in the system and better forecasting, also become possible with this. Then data integration, which allows a holistic view of the system and processes, becomes possible with this step. So this is the reason you create the digital twin of your physical supply chain. Okay? A very important question that's asked many a times in the interview. Okay, and now moving on to the last and the final question of this video. As an SCM expert, if you were required to collaborate with the IT team, digitize your supply chain processes, what approach would you take? Now see, first of all, to answer this question, it is not necessary that each one of you would be required to work on one such project. But in this age of digitization, this is one of the most important projects that helps you earn the reputation, financial rewards, promotions, and the opportunities also come along your way. So being aware of this process is the very least that you can do to ensure that if such a question is put up to you, you're able to answer it. And if one such project actually comes across your way, you don't have to say no and you are able to give it your best shot. So to help you answer this question, I'm sharing a flowchart here that will help you understand the basic steps easily. The first step that you have to take in such a project is define the integration objectives. Why you are doing what you are doing. To clearly understand the purpose of your organization to work on this project and its expectations is the real thing that you do here. For example, what does it want? Improvement in efficiency, enhanced visibility, or enabling the real-time data exchange, or something else? What is the actual thing that they want out of this project? Once you have this understanding, you carry out a comprehensive system assessment where you actually study the complete system, map the data flows to explain to the IT team. In step number 3, you develop a detailed integration plan in collaboration with the IT team. Here, you develop a step-by-step plan for the integration process where you would actually outline the key deliverables, milestones, and timelines also. It is at this step you also prioritize the tasks based on their overall impact on the system. Now, once you have the new system available with you, begins the implementation phase. Here, in this phase, the key task is to ensure a seamless integration with the legacy system. This is because you don't want the new system to not be updated and you don't want any loss of data. You want to ensure that the new system catches the data and is up to date. So you also keep checking if the system is working as expected. There are no mishaps there. And then comes the testing and validation stage. At this step, system is thoroughly tested for functionality, performance and security. Basically, since you represent the SCM team, you ensure that the system meets your functional and operational, both type of requirements. And to get the system into use, you carry out a training program for your users so that they can use the system both efficiently and effectively. So, if you get an opportunity to work on a project and digitize your legacy SCM, I'm sure this knowledge will come very useful to you, not just to face the interview, but also do the real work on the project. With this, we come to the end of this video. If you found today's video useful, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends also. To keep receiving more such videos that can help you with your career, subscribe to the channel today. I'll see you very soon with a new one. Till then, bye-bye and take care.